Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel MacPM. So this is our next problem on the topic bending stresses in beams. So we have a question like this. Three beams have the same length, same allowable bending stress and same bending moment. The cross section of the beams are a square. Let's draw it. A square. First one is a square. And a rectangle with depth twice the width. So let's draw a rectangle. This width is b and depth is d, so we have d is equal to 2b. Okay, and a circle. Find the ratio of weights of circular and the rectangular beams with respect to square beams. So friends, we have equation of bending stress like this: m upon I is equal to sigma upon y, or m is equal to sigma into z, where z is section modulus. So you can see that there is given this length is same, allowable bending stress and the bending moment are same. So m is same and sigma is same, so only z is remaining. So z means section modulus of these three sections will be same. So let's calculate the z of this section. For a square section, suppose this is x and this is also x, and diameter of the radius, or suppose diameter of this circular section is d. Capital D, because this is also d. So we have z square is for a square section, section modulus will be bd square by 6. So it is b is x, d is also x, divided by 6, so it will be x cube by 6. Okay, now z for rectangular section, z rectangle will be bd square by 6. So it is b is b and d is equal to 2b, 2b square by 6. So it will be 4b cube by 6 or 2b cube by 3. For circular section, z circle is equal to pi dq by 32. This is pi dq by 32 or equal to pi dq by 32 is okay. So it is third. Now we know that bending moment and stresses, bending stresses are same, so z will be also same for this cross section. So we will have x cube. Let's equate this: x cube by 6 barabar s cube by 6 is equal to 2b cube divided by 3 is equal to pi dq divided by 32. So let's first let's take these two. S cube by 6 is equal to 2bq divided by 3. Okay, so bq you will get is equal to, this 3 will cancel 6, so bq will be 4x cube. Sorry, x cube by 4, bq will be x cube by 4. So b will be 0.63x. You can calculate this. B will be 0.63x. Now if we compare the circular section and square section, then x cube by 6 will be equal to pi d cube by 32. So you will get x. So d cube will be 32x cube upon 6 pi. If you will calculate d, then you will get d is equal to 1.1927x. This is second relation. Now we have to calculate the ratio of weights of the square section and with respect to rectangular section and circular section. So weight of rectangle upon weight of square. So length are same, so its weight will be proportional to the material is also same, so the length will be proportional to volume. So length is same, so this will be proportional to cross section area. Means see here, weight is equal to density into volume into gravity. G is same for every section. So weight is equal to density into volume into gravity. G is same for every section, and rho is, because they are made from same material, so density is also same. So weight is proportional to volume. So volume is also area into length. Length is same, so weight is proportional to cross sectional area. So let's see, weight of rectangular cross section divided by square cross section is equal to cross section area of these two. So it will be area of rectangle divided by area of square. So area of rectangle will be b into 2b, breadth into depth, so depth is 2b, into divided by x into x. So we will get, this is b is equal to 0.63x, 0.36x into 2 into 0.63x divided by x into x. So if you divide this, then you will get, if you multiply 0.63 with 2 into 0.63, x will cancel, so you will get 0.7938. okay, now we have to find second ratio, weight of circular cross section divided by square cross section will be area of circle divided by area of square. So we will have area of circle is pi d square by 4, and area of square is x into x. So we will have pi d square divided by 4x square. Now d is equal to 1.1927x we have calculated, so we will put x into 1.1927x square divided by 4x square. Sorry, this is pi and this is pi d square by 4, so this is square. So if you will calculate this, then you will get ratio is equal to 1.1172. okay, so this is answer. So we have found the ratios of the weight of the rectangular beam to the square beam, and we have found the ratio of this weight of the circular beam divided by square beam. I hope you understand this question. If you have any doubt, then post a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.